Hello kids, how is your health? I hope your health is well and you are staying home safely. You should be conscious about your health. You must use hand wash and hand sanitizer in several times. You must use mask while you are going outside and you must not go outside unnecessarily and you must keep a social distance. Students, now take out your subject science. Today's topic is one interesting topic, that is importance of air. Importance of air. In previous class, we have discussed about our environment. Environment. What is environment? Environment means the things which are belonging around us. As for example, there are trees, animals, sun, moon, pond, birds, everything are including our environment. And in this environment, two things are very important. Two natural things. One is water, one more is air. So today we will learn about air. What is the importance of air? Before discussing about it, I have to discuss about air. Air. We cannot see air. We can feel it. We cannot see the physical presence of air. We can always feel it. So actually this is the picture of balloon. So balloon, how we will use it? By using air, including it means we are applying air and we are flying it. Balloon. Kite. How kite is flying? By the help of air. Tree. Trees are making food by the help of air. This is windmill. By helping air, windmill means here, by helping air only it is going on. How it is? In your book there is given. First there is given importance of air. Moving air is called wind. What do you mean by wind? Moving air is called wind. Importance of air. We human beings, we are taking breath by the help of air. Without it, we cannot live. Human beings and animals need air to breathe. Plants need air to make food. I have given one picture of plant. It is making food by the help of air. In the air only there are several gases. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. So such type of gases are in the air only. So we are taking oxygen, we are leaving carbon dioxide. Plants are taking carbon dioxide, they are leaving us oxygen. So this is by the help of air, means in air only this type of substances are there. Human beings and animals need air to breathe. Means human beings also, animals also, everything they are taking breath by the help of air. Plants need air to make food. Plants are making food by the help of air. Windmills move with the help of air. These are the windmills fan. Okay, these fans are moving by the help of air. Next, turn over next page. What makes air dirty? Means we have to keep air clean. Because if it is going to be polluted, then we cannot use it properly. So for smoke from factories, actually this is industrial civilization. For that there are many types of factories. Means in our world there are many factories are there. So from these factories which polluted things are coming, that is mixing with the air, and air is polluted. Smoke from vehicles. Nowadays vehicles means amount of vehicles are much and they are giving us smoke. So these smokes are mixing with the air and air is polluted. Burning of coal. Means coal is used in several ways. So when it is burning, the smoke is coming and this smoke is mixing with air and air is polluted. So I am writing some points how air is polluted. First one is smoke from factories. S-M-O-K, smoke. F-R-O-M, from factories. F-A-C-T-O-R-I-E-S, factories. Number 2, smoke from vehicles. S-M-O-K, smoke. F-R-O-M, from vehicles. Smoke from vehicles. Number 3 is burning, burning. Burning of coals, coals, coals. So these are the basic things which are causing air pollution, or here given what makes air dirty. There are 3 points I have written. You must read these 3 points. So today, importance of air and what causes air pollution, that is you have learned. So you must read it at home. Thank you.